and welcome back to the channel. Today I have a phenomenal old school Acura NSX supercharged. Thing is just beautiful but completely hammered. It's white. It doesn't look shine at all, dull, a lot of swirls and whatnot. So I'm gonna take you into this journey. I already washed the car inside the garage with the AC. I don't want to bore you with the washing, so I'm just going to go over and show you the before and after of this nice ride, especially the roof that is black, that is in real bad shape. So nevertheless, flipping this around, Sweat Remover Pro X, couple pads, one product, and we go. I'm going to show you the magic in front of your eyes. One step, two step, three steps, whatever you guys want to call it, but I will show you the before and after and in the between. So to the roof we go. Okay, so the view of the roof, completely hammered, and this is the ride that we are talking about. Beautiful NSX. I'm gonna pull the wheels out. I'm gonna ceramic coat them, ceramic coat the calipers, glass, the whole thing. Let's take a look under here. It's hard to see there, but maybe on the roof. Yeah, right here. You can clearly see. Extremely bad. So I'm gonna start with this area to see. There's a little area on the other side that is faded. I have to be careful. So let me measure the paint first, right here. Okay, so this is how we're gonna go with. I have these microfiber pads. They're phenomenal pads. They cut super. They don't do any markings. And then we go behind with the foam pad and with the Sweat Remover Pro X. That's all is to it. Use the little 15 griots. Oh, sorry, G8. 15 is the big one that I have over there. The G8. That's the one I like. This is the brand of pads that I use. They're expensive, but they cut super good. And I have some other pads here for big after. So first I'm gonna measure, and then I will begin on the roof. And then right here, all of these cars, they suffer from a little bit of the faded here, so you have to be very careful there. I don't want to enhance any of that there, so I'm going to avoid that. There's a supercharger there somewhere. Yeah, so we are set to go. 9.5, 10. Start with the microfiber pad, a little bit of the sweat remover, slow speed. I'm gonna do this area here and show you a 50-50. Okay, and we are making huge progress right there. It looks beautiful right there. So that's the guys. I'm using a little bit of waterless to wipe the residue off, so I'm ready to go to the next side. Okay, spoiler out. Hammer down below there. Okay, we got the first wheel out. Clean all this here, and we're gonna coat the calipers. That's the primary reason for this. Probably gonna go with the waterless and then the wheels, so we can do the bottles. This I might have to take outside. They're quite dirty, so no big deal. We'll clean it the looks and we go. It's a pain in the neck to get this thing up, but we got it. So okay, we go. With soil remover and little microfiber pad. Outside we go. We'll clean the looks. There's too much to do with the waterless, but this is looking good. It's ready. Moving along. The whole side is done. Yeah, AC kicking. We're good. We're good. Beautiful, all clean. And look at this shit, man. This is wild. Somebody cut the wheel and they put the center section of I believe it was a Acura Mugen or some type of different wheel, quite special face, and welded to the bottle. So they have the deep bottles and the whole thing. I guess the previous owner. So to the extent that some of us will go, it looks phenomenal now. We're gonna put the prep pole and the boosted, and down we go. Look at the front. It looks beautiful. Okay, moving along. This is up front, the hood. Again, right there, quite a bit of markings everywhere. This side's done, roof done, glass done. This is beautiful. The wheels. So today we're gonna do the hood, the whole front end, and this wheel. That's the plan. So we go. And there she is, all done. The Acura NSX soil remover Pro X, boosted, wheels out, calipers, wheels and tire T2, wheel cleaner deluxe. Wheels came out phenomenal. Polish the glass, the interior, supercharger. Paint looks stunning. Now the paint looks white. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, and that's a wrap on this one. We're getting ready for the next one. Until next time.